Rolling out recipe number 2. That's right. I just want to do a classic dish. Thanks to the folks at Ocean Delight, I'm doing for Neval Chatelal a shrimp scampi.
I love it. Why shrimp though?
Voice make it sound a little better.
Why shrimp though?
Because tomato is meat, you know, chicken, you
No.
know. Plus, I just love shrimp.
Oh, I thought
When
you
there's no meat involved, Ocean Delight shrimp is my go-to. I can eat shrimp, cocktail shrimp, curry shrimp, salad shrimp. I can eat shrimp anything.
Right. I just thought there was some kind of reference to me and shrimp, you know, some kind of relationship. Or he was trying to make, you know, something he was trying to, some parallel. I don't know.
You can't. He did a shrimp dance.
Yeah.
He did a shrimp dance. You see? Let me get my dish cracking. I'm adding some butter to some olive oil. Right? Both full of flavor. Olive oil, nice flavor. Butter, nice flavor. And I have some shrimp here. So Ocean Delight has a range of sizes. This here I am using the 21 to 25 size. There's a 61 to 70. There's a big jumbo one as well.
Wow.
I think it's 16 to 20 per pound. Nice big jumbo size. I'm using this size, and I just want to get my shrimp sauce in there. And very careful here, Neval, because I don't want to overcook my shrimp.
Right.
So I am just going to leave this for about a minute on either side.
Okay.
So this is a very important. A lot of flavor develops here in the pot. Everything happening in this pot. We're going to be tossing some pasta, some wine.
Wow.
It's a real classic Italian dish, shrimp scampi. And I just thought I'd stay with the classics today and serve you up a little
Thank
classic.
you so much.
Yeah. You will know when the shrimp start changing color. So I just want to toss, allow it to sear on the other side just for another minute or so. And the reason I'm being very careful is because this shrimp has to come back in some heat afterwards. And shrimp doesn't take long to cook, so you really just want a little quick sear on this. This shrimp is done pretty well, and I just want to get this out here. There you go. And I'm setting this aside. Don't let it intimidate you. This was salt, pepper, a little good Trini green seasoning, probably a little garlic if you have to squeeze in there, and that's it. Rest this aside. All I want to do now, Neval, is let me start with some onions. So while I'm chopping these onions up, Neval, I want you to tell the people, because there's something major that Kaputra is happy to be part of. Neval Chatelal is very much at the forefront of it. And it's an epic tour of India that's happening in conjunction with our celebration of our 60th independence.
Yeah, it's an
Did I say too much?
No, that's perfect. Ansura Vacations, Juliana Furman, Soca on the Seas. We are so extremely honored to partner with the government of India to do a joint celebration of Trinidad and Tobago's 60th anniversary of independence and India's 75th anniversary of independence. We reached out to the High Commissioner of Trinidad and Tobago to India and told him we were coming and that we intended to invite him to one of our private events that we were hosting, right? And then the creativity and his imagination started, you know, being tweaked, and he was inspired to scale up the event to a free to the public one in collaboration with the government of India. So whereas we thought we were going into a nice, simple event where we invited His Excellency to attend, he's now invited us to collaborate with the entire of India.
He basically said, "Oh, go into my country."
Yeah, you come in here.
You come into my country, go into my country. I will take control.
Yeah, big time. No small time. We're doing this big time.
Right.
It's 60 years we're celebrating, and India is celebrating their 75th. So we're going to mark this occasion with a most splendid concert featuring myself, Savita Singh, Johan Chakri, Terry Gadraj, and Roger George.
Wow. And kind of just celebrating the two cultures.
Of course.
And the heritage of Trinidad.
Great heritage, great history. And the name of the concert will be Connections, and we'll be exploring all of the different combinations and permutations of cultural exchange that we've enjoyed with India and throughout the region and the world.
Yeah. If you've been following Cup of Joe guys on all our socials and on cupofjoecaribbean.com, we would have also started doing what we've called the Cup of Joe Culinary Adventures. And through our vacations, we went on a Caribbean escape. We hopped 7 islands in Neval in 6 days. Crazy. But we captured it all, and we will be there in India to kind of bring this celebration together. We're going to be following Neval, bringing the concert to you, and then of course, I'm going to look for food.
Of course.
I'm going to look for some food. I'm going to look for some food. Neval, I'm going to just bring people up to speed on what I'm doing. So, shrimp flavor happening here.
Right.
And I just had some onions and garlic, and I'm adding some green seasonings now. Good old Trini green seasonings. I love to add my Trini green seasonings. It looks like a big bowl of something, but it's good white wine.
Oh, for real?
Good white wine, just about a cup and a half. That just will deglaze that pan and pick up all that wonderful flavor. So shrimp scampi really is really that. It's cooking the flavors of shrimp and white wine, and it coming together nicely. Nice little fusion. Nice little fusion. Yeah. I just want to add a little bit of lime juice of 1 lime,
right?
Just to bring it to life a little bit.
Wow. So where would you have learned all of these methods, the science and the art?
Yeah, my wife taught me.
Oh, is that so?
Yeah.
Wow.
She had hundreds of cookbooks when we got married.
Wow.
And I just started reading these cookbooks and asking her questions. She buffed me, and then I said, "Look, let me go and try this."
So does she let you cook at home, or you only cook for TV?
She does. So before TV, for people who may not know the story,
right?
I'm adding some parsley, guys. Parsley is also a very kind of important ingredient. What you can add here as well, just to Caribbeanize it and to Trini it is some shadow benny. You could add some shadow benny in here as well. Yeah, you can do that as well. I have some tomatoes that I just want to add in here. So that is doing its thing. Give it a couple minutes and we will then add some beautiful pasta to this.
Lovely.
You smell it, huh?
Oh, the aroma is fantastic.
So I want to take some pasta now and add that straight in here. So I want to add about half just to, I want to add all. Neval look like he like it saucy.
That's right.
Yeah. so you just now want to fold the pasta in all that good sauce.
Woo.
Just a little sauce. And the final thing, Neval, is to add back not only the shrimp, but you see all that goodness there? That's flavor that you don't want to waste. And add back in all that shrimp.
Yeah.
And toss. Just to make sure all the sauce properly coating the pasta, it's time to serve up this wonderful dish.
Oh, I ready.
Because you add the pasta, you know, nothing wrong with just adding a little touch of salt again.
So my voice teacher, she used to actually cook pasta.
Yeah.
She studied in Italy, and one of the favorite dishes before you perform is a nice pasta because it helps give you the energy you need to sing, right?
Pasta?
Yeah, people mistake performers, the energy requirements of a performer. You might have some footage of me performing that you will show that it involves a lot of floor work, a lot of diaphragmatic work. So we consume a lot of energy and we need proper fuel.
Right.
So these types of carbs, and you got veggies in there and protein, they fuel the performer so that we can give our best.
Just a touch of parsley to the top. Shala. Shrimp scampi. I want to thank the folks at Ocean Delight for making it possible. Ocean Delight, seafood you can trust. And I hope Neval will trust me to take a sample of my shrimp scampi.
Wow. Once again, your presentation.
Yeah. I've been working on it.
He's our boss. Are you taste test?
Yes.
Absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious.
It's good. It's good. Classic dish, very simple flavors, very simple ingredients, and you can pull this together.
Like you said, light,
refreshing. But as I said, hearty. As you said, you need when you have to do all them kind of
enough fuel. Enough fuel.
Performances you just put on, my brother. We coming back, we're not done just yet. Neval, Chatelal, and a whole crew of wonderful performers will be gracing the India's stage to bring you a fantastic concert, Connections. Coming back, eat up, my brother.